as the snow lay on the ground. A youthful Irish soldier boy to the mountains he was bound. His mother stood beside him saying, "You'll win, my boy, don't fear." With loving arms round his waist, she tied his bandolier. Goodbye, God bless you, mother dear, I hope your heart won't pain. But pray to God, your soldier boy, you soon will see again. And when I'm in the firing line, 'twill be a source of joy to know that you're a mother proud of your Irish soldier boy. When the fighting it was over and the flag of truce was raised, the leaders ordered the fire to cease. All Ireland stood amazed. His comrades came to her cottage door with a note from her pride and joy, containing the news in sad detail of her Irish soldier boy. Goodbye, farewell, my mother dear, I'm dying a death so grand, from wounds received in action, trying to free my native land. But I hope we'll meet in heaven above, in a land beyond the sky, where you'll always be in company with your Irish soldier boy. A long farewell to Donegal, Kilkenny and Mayo, Tipperary, Derry and Tyrone, where the bushes green do grow. And when at night you'll kneel and pray, will be a source of joy to know that you're remembering still your Irish soldier boy. To know that you're remembering still your Irish soldier boy.